excellent maneuverability in all situations, allowing the boats to rotate 360 degrees horizontally. These new boats are the first of their kind in North America, and are named after two important people, without whom these boats would not exist. The Nikola Tesla is named in honor of the inventor and electrical engineer. Tesla made history when he harnessed the energy of electric motors to create power that could travel great distances. It was a massive engineering breakthrough, pioneered the radiation method, changing our lives forever. James is named the chairman and chief executive officer of Made of the Mist. Lynn joined the company in 1950 as a ticket seller. During his tenure, Made of the Mist expanded operations, achieving tenfold growth. In 2020, in his 70th year with the Made of the Mist, the company announced the naming of the vessel James B. Gilbert. We are now approaching the bay, or Horseshoe Falls, and is approximately 170 feet wide or 53 meters. Its bridge is 2,500 feet long, or 706 meters. Here, daredevils have made their bid for fame. The first, in 1901, was a school teacher named Annie Taylor. Annie was 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden caravan and floated. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls, wearing only shoes, in a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued, almost at this exact spot, by a Made of the Mist boat. To the far left of the Horseshoe Falls is Terrapin Point, where the international water line between the United States and Canada lies. Beneath us, the water plunges to